recipe. So let's begin with our ingredients. So we have, and the name of this recipe is called Turkish Adana Kebab. So let's begin. We have half kg of mince, as you can see right here. We have fresh red chili, as you can see. Fresh coriander leaf, as you can see. Small piece of ginger. Green chili. 1 small onion we have taken. 4 to 5 garlic cloves. So now we'll put our mince in the chopper. Chop, 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 chop. And now put our red chilies in there. And now we'll put our garlic. And now we'll put the lid on and I'll see you when it's grinded. So the main ingredient is samak powder. And we will add our spices in there. First, salt to taste. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Samak powder 1 teaspoon. And now we'll mix it with a fork. So guys, our batter is mixed nicely, as you can see, and now we will marinate it for half an hour. And now we'll make our kebab with the batter, so let's begin. So guys, as you can see, our kebab are ready, and now we will fry them. Oh gosh, it's... And now put some oil on our pan, and now we'll put our kebab in there. And now we'll put our kebab in there. And now put another one in there. And now we'll flip it. So guys, we'll flip it. As you can see, oh my gosh, that is so good. Guys, that is epic. As you can see, they're both turned and they look epic in this glory. And I just love it. And now we'll take it out. So we took out the sheet, and as you can see, our Adana Kebab, Turkish Adana Kebab are ready. And I can't wait for this to be ready. Turkish Adana Kebabs are ready. And now we'll put some samak powder on our onion, just to make it more tasty and yummy and delicious. And now put our onions in there, as you can see. And now put our tomatoes right there. Done. And just put our lemon right there.